Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to read deleted SMS messages on iPhone. So for us, iPhone users, we use iMessage app basically to keep track our messages, right? And if you wanted to know, or if you wanted to keep or see your own deleted message, open the message app on your iPhone, and in the message conversation list, do one of the following: tab edit at the top left corner, then tab show recently deleted, and then thirdly select the conversation whose message you want to restore, and then tab recover, and then tab recover messages. And basically that's an amazing app, amazing feature added by iPhone, that once you delete a message on your SMS message or iMessage like we do, they will not be deleted permanently. That's the thing, right? They will be saved on your they will be saved on your iPhone data, and you're gonna be able to recover it. If you want to know how it's done, just go ahead right here and tab messages. Right, click on the messages right here, and basically click the edit at the top left, and then you're gonna be able to see the last option, show recently deleted, and you're gonna be able to see the deleted messages, right? And the only way to see inside that message, you need to recover it. So you need to recover it, and if you didn't like the sound of the message, you're gonna be able to delete it. In my case, I'm gonna delete it permanently, so I want to keep it on my data. So basically that's it, right? Turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.